New on Nightside, the inland Northwest is facing a homelessness and housing crisis, and now Spokane Valley is coming up with a plan of its own.
Yeah, tonight it had an open house to get community feedback. Our Ron Yakor was there, and in our packed-in coverage has what the plan would entail.
Aaron Kirsten, the Spokane Valley plan is still in its draft stages, but addresses issues like mental health and affordability. It even has options for more temporary solutions like extreme cold and heat. A 37-page draft details the Spokane Valley homeless plan.
There's no doubt that the population of those who are experiencing homelessness has grown in and of itself, and with that, it's also become more visible.
Shamra Andrews, who's lived in Spokane Valley for the past 11 years, is hopeful for the future.
I think it's really important, especially if for the city of Spokane Valley to stand up and be a city.
From addressing how to prevent homelessness to improving quality of life, it offers solutions like creating and developing senior and assisted living homes, having an emergency drop-in shelter, emergency hoteling, and potentially even offering landlords an incentive to set aside affordable units.
It needs to be strategic, it needs to be incremental, and it needs to consider our community specifically, and our community is different than other communities.
Even though the plan is created, the city says it would still help pay for regional shelters operated through Spokane.
What we're trying to do right now through this public engagement process is prioritize. What do we address first? Where do we put our resources where they're going to matter?
Something Andrews agrees.
City, we should be taking care of the people here.
Once all the public feedback is collected, and they're still collecting feedback, they'll be putting the plan along with its priorities in front of City Council for adoption in April. In studio, Ron Yakor, 4 News Now.